craze for cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, NFTs and blockchain is heating up the whole market out there. But do we actually understand how all of that works? Welcome crypto catchers. After watching this video, you will get to know the basics of cryptocurrency and how it works. Let's see what the definition of cryptocurrency says. Cryptocurrency is an encrypted, decentralized digital currency transferred between peers and confirmed in a public ledger via a process known as mining. Well, that sounds really technical. To understand it simply, you will need to know about decentralization, public ledger or blockchain and mining. But first, cryptocurrency is basically a digital currency that can be transferred between people and traded for something that has value, just like fiat currency. Transactions are recorded on a digital public ledger called a blockchain. Transaction data and the ledger are encrypted using cryptography, which is why it is called cryptocurrency. It is decentralized, meaning it is controlled by users and computer algorithms and not a central government, bank or any single authority. It is distributed, meaning the blockchain is hosted on many computers across the globe. Meanwhile, cryptocurrencies are traded on online cryptocurrency exchanges just like stock exchanges. Bitcoin is the first and one of many cryptocurrencies. Other cryptocurrencies are Ether, Ripple, Litecoin, etc. Cryptocurrencies alternative to Bitcoin are called altcoins. Transactions are made between users using software called cryptocurrency wallets. The person creating a transaction uses the wallet software to transfer balances from one account to another. To transfer funds, password, also known as a private key associated with the account, is needed. Transactions made between users are encrypted and then broadcasted to the cryptocurrencies network and queued up to be added to the public ledger. Transactions are then recorded on the public ledger via a process called mining. All users of a given cryptocurrency have access to this ledger. The transaction amounts are public, but who sent the transaction is encrypted. Each transaction leads back to the unique set of keys. Whoever owns the set of keys owns the money of cryptocurrencies associated with those keys, just like whoever owns a bank account owns the money in it. Many transactions are added to a ledger at once in a block. Now these blocks of cryptocurrency transactions are added sequentially by miners. That is why the ledger and the technology behind it are called blockchain. It is a chain of blocks of transactions. To put it simply, the blockchain is like a decentralized bank ledger that is a record of transaction and balances. When a cryptocurrency transaction is made, that transaction is sent out to all users hosting a copy of the blockchain. Specific types of users called miners then try to solve a cryptographic puzzle which lets them add a new block of transaction to the ledger. Whoever solves the puzzle first gets a few newly mined coins as a reward, and also the transaction fees paid by those who created transactions. I have dedicated a separate video on blockchain to keep this video short and precise. Check it out first, then continue here. As we discussed, miners are people who are running software and hardware aimed at confirming transaction by solving cryptographic puzzles via software to add transactions to the blockchain in the hope of getting rewards in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies can be traded mostly the same ways other types of currencies can. You can exchange goods and services for cryptocurrencies, you can trade dollars for cryptocurrencies, or you can trade cryptocurrencies for other cryptocurrencies. Trading is generally done via brokers and exchanges. Brokers are third parties that buy/sell cryptocurrency. Exchanges are like online stock exchanges for cryptocurrency. One can also trade cryptocurrencies directly between users. You should know that cryptocurrencies prices tend to be volatile just like stock prices, but the volatility in crypto market is much higher. One should dive into cryptocurrency investing and trading only if one is aware of the risks involved. Investing in new altcoins with low market cap can be more risky. Like anything else in life, there are tax implications to trading or using cryptocurrency. Make sure you understand the tax implications. In short, you will owe money on profits, aka capital gains, and may owe sales tax or other tax when applicable. If you gain some sort of knowledge through this video, just consider giving it a thumbs up. If you have any queries related to anything, leave a comment and I'll catch you there. Till then,